In this module, we will cover how to install the Cloud Voice Fax app. What you'll need to perform this task. You'll need the installation file. You'll also need fax account credentials. The application for the fax system works as a virtual printer, sending documents to the fax system electronically. It can be downloaded from the Cloud Voice help site, shown on the screen now. On the help screen, type fax configuration in the search bar and select fax configuration from the search results. Step number 1 provides links to the 32 and 64-bit versions of the application. Download the zip file and extract it to a folder. Double-click the setup.exe file. Select the language and press OK. On the Additional Tasks screen, decide if you want the Internet Fax printer to be your default printer. The files will install. Click Finish. Once the application has finished installing, click on the fax file cabinet icon in the Systems tray. This will open the Secure Fax Filing cabinet. Click on the Settings icon. Fill in the cover page in Authorization Settings and click Save. The system should now be ready to send faxes.